Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Mindset. If you watched our last video, we spoke about financial freedom. And mutual funds were one of the tools we briefly mentioned. So today let's go deeper. Because let's be honest, everyone says mutual funds are easy. Or you must invest in mutual funds. But how to actually do it? That part, nobody really explains clearly. I was also confused when I started, but now that I've been investing for a while, I want to share everything in a simple, practical way. And not just random options, but exactly what I did and what I recommend. So first, what is a mutual fund? A mutual fund is like a big pool of money collected from many investors like you and me. That money is then invested in stocks, bonds, or other assets by professionals. The best part, you don't have to research every stock. The fund manager does that for you. But here's the problem. Choosing the right mutual fund is like entering a sea of options. And not every fund is for everyone. Someone earning Rs 5,000 a month shouldn't invest the same way as someone earning Rs 50,000 because your income, goals, and risk appetite decide what fund suits you best. Now, the first step in mutual fund investing is choosing how to invest. And that brings us to AMCs and platforms. So what is an AMC? AMC stands for Asset Management Company. Examples: HDFC, ICICI, SBI, Nippon, etc. Now you can invest directly through AMCs, but there's a catch. If you invest through HDFC Mutual Funds app, for example, you can only buy HDFC funds. You can't buy an SBI small cap fund there, even if it's the best performing fund. So it limits your options. That's why I recommend using a neutral platform, one that shows you funds from all AMCs in one place. Zerodha's Coin app is what I use. It's simple, affordable, and you only pay a one-time Rs 200 to open the account. Once your account is verified, usually takes 24 to 48 hours, you're good to go. You can choose from any fund across all AMCs. Just upload your PAN Aadhaar and link your bank, that's it. Just upload your PAN Aadhaar and link your bank, that's it. No paperwork. Okay, now your account is ready. So what fund should you choose? Let's keep it simple. There are three main types of mutual funds. Low risk, large cap as blue chip funds. These invest in big stable companies. Returns are steady, risk is low. Suitable for people who don't want to take risks, like retirees or conservative investors. Example, Nippon India Large Cap Fund or ICICI Blue Chip. Fund moderate risk. Flexi Cap or Mid Cap funds. These balance between safety and growth. A good mix. Great for first-time investors who want long-term growth but aren't comfortable with too much risk. Example, Parag Parikh Flexi Cap Fund High Risk Small Cap Funds. These invest in smaller, fast-growing companies. Suitable for people with stable income and higher risk appetite. Example, SBI Small Cap Fund. This one gave over 25% returns in some years. My tip? Start with a Flexi Cap Fund if you're unsure. Once you get comfortable, explore small cap or sectoral funds. When I started, I opened an account on a well-known AMC platform. It worked fine, but I couldn't access other AMCs. Now 50% of my investments are still there, but for new investments, I use Zerodha Coin. Here's how I invest. 30% in Flexi Cap Fund for balanced growth, 40% in Small Cap Fund for aggressive returns, 30% in gold and debt funds for stability. This split may not work for you. And that's okay. Start with what you can afford to invest every month. Even Rs 500 is fine. The key is consistency. Let me share a few quick mistakes beginners make. Don't chase last year's top performing fund. Past returns don't guarantee future results. Don't skip SIPI. Systematic investment plans are the best way to invest monthly without timing the market. Don't invest without a goal. Saving for a house, retirement, child's education, define it first. So don't feel overwhelmed. Start simple. Open a Zerodha account. Choose a good Flexi Cap Fund. Start your SIP, review it every 6 months. If you like this breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe. In the next video, we'll talk about how to monitor your mutual fund portfolio and when to exit a fund. Drop your questions in the comments. I personally reply to each one. Until next time, keep learning, keep investing, and keep building your money mindset.